After Governor Tim Walz lifted Minnesota's stay-at-home order, Anoka County slowly began to reopen to conduct person-to-person business. As Mike Johnson explains, everything didn't open at once, but it was a start.
A candidate for state legislature files for re-election to office on one of the first days face-to-face business is allowed at the Anoka County Government Center in weeks. The elections and voter registration service counter opened to coincide with candidate filings. The property records and taxation counter is also among the first to reopen.
It has been 6+ weeks. We're excited to get back to somewhat normal. We're not quite there yet, but at least we're having some customer-facing services that reopen.
While walk-in traffic is now accepted, large stickers on the floor remind visitors to practice social distancing as well as hand sanitizing. Board Chair Scott Schulte says the county is abiding with the governor's safety orders.
It includes the proper PPE, whether it's a face mask if you're within that 6-foot range. We do sanitize regularly. All the county employees are living up to those governor's executive orders, and we ask the public, when you interface with our county employees, to do the same.
Even with the reopening, most face-to-face services are still restricted, but each division is planning how to get back to in-person service. At libraries, curbside pickup will continue and even be expanded. Schulte says license centers will begin to open, but changing the way the county does business was not easy.
We have 2,000 employees in Anoka County, and to figure out how you still do the same amount of work or necessary work in a completely new fashion, a way that we had begun to process some remote work, but not to this level. It's been a major undertaking.
It was also expensive. Schulte estimates it cost $30 to $50 million for everything the county had to do during the COVID-19 crisis so far, some of which may be reimbursed by the federal government. Anoka County hopes that some of the changes made during crisis conditions over the past 6 weeks may still be used in the future. They may help make county operations more efficient and help it prepare for the next health emergency.
We are going to be more efficient. We're going to be more user-friendly. This has forced us to escalate our remote working and our technology.
Even though doors are reopening, the threat of coronavirus is still present, and Schulte says it probably won't be business as usual for a while longer. For North Metro TV News, I'm Mike Johnson reporting.
You can check the county's website for information on changes in services. Officials urge you to continue to use the county drop boxes for vehicle tab renewals, property tax documents, and other services. There is a drop box at the Blaine Human Service Center on 89th Avenue. Anoka County's household hazardous waste facility in Blaine will reopen June 1st. That should be good news for any of us who've been cleaning out the garage during their downtime. There are new hours and new social distancing requirements. For example, you should keep material in your trunk or in the bed of your truck, and staff will remove it. Officials are trying to avoid the need for you to get out of your vehicle or to directly hand anything to one of the county workers.